Hello guys, this is Paige. Our night routine. Uh-oh, don't open the window, anak. She don't want to sleep yet. Uh-oh. She's been up since afternoon. Today is her 9 months. No, anak, the curtain. Leave it. Oh my God, she's really like. Let's see. Another mosquito killer by mama. Hi! Don't you want to sleep yet? So, ganito kami every night pag hindi siya inaantok. I don't know why, but she's not sleeping. Ganito lang siya nangungulit. Kanina pa siyang hapon. Today is her 10 months old. Kaso lang hindi na ako nakagawa or gawa ng kanyang food kasi yung handa niya kasi nga sobrang kulit, hindi ako makaluto. Buti kanina nakaluto pa ako ng pansit. So yun na lang pinagsalo-saluhan namin. Kawawa naman, so alam ko na I can't really cook so far. So we're here guys, we just wanted to share with you our night routine. Para si ate nandun sa kanyang lola. So, dadalawa kami tonight. Kasi lang hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa siya natutulog. Ang likot-likot. Ang kulit-kulit. Happy 10 months old, baby girl. Like, say hi. So, yeah. This is her vlog for tonight. What are you talking about? So, let's just film para paglaki niya makita niya yung pinaggagawa niya ngayong baby pa siya. Diba? Sige, kalat mo. Sige. Yan ang mga katabi mo, ha? You can sleep with them. Mommy will sleep outside, okay? Alright? Hey, Miss Stewart. How about that? Don't you want to sleep yet? You don't want to sleep? Come on, anak, let's sleep na. It's already 9. Mukhang may iniisip siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Hi! What are you thinking? Daddy? Daddy work, anak. Hello, say hi everybody. I'm Paige. Hi. Hello. Hey, that smile kills me. That smile kills me. Say mama. Say mama. No? Why? Alright, say good night to the vlog. Let's sleep na, anak ko. Alright guys, hanggang dito na lamang ang aming short video. Kailangan ko na siyang patulugin at sobrang pagod ako. Siya hindi, pero I need to make her sleep na. Past bedtime. Hey! Say bye-bye! Blow a kiss! How to blow a kiss? Yeah, blow a kiss! Blow a kiss! Come on, give me a kiss. No? I said blow. Blow a kiss. I said blow a kiss. Or would you rather wanna count? Okay. Blow a kiss. Very good. Good job. What about count? Can you count? Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.